Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a coloring and install video. I'm going to show you guys how I got this color and how I installed it, and she's feeling it. So yeah, let's get this video on and popping. I really love the way it came out. Cute. So now I'm taking some 30 volume developer and my Wrecking Bleach, the flash lift. And I'm taking that and putting that on the ends of the hair and on that little front piece. I'm gonna go back in the video. I don't think I showed you guys this part, but I also use 40 volume developer with that same bleach because I wanted the top to be a little lighter and I wanted the ends to be a little lighter. So I went in with 30 on the ends and then I done 40 like towards the last minute at the ends. So it could be a ombre kind of effect, so the shades could blend in each other. So basically I just sectioned off the hair that I wanted to do that little piece with. Made sure the frontal was even because you want to make sure it's even. You don't want to have a piece in the front and it's not even to go on your head or the person's head that you're doing. But yeah, I already bleached the knots. So yeah, and tendon delay. So go watch that in the video before this one. I'll have it in the description box so you guys can go check it out. So now I'm starting on the back of the hair, and I kind of just washed it. I let it sit for about maybe like 30 something minutes, and I just kind of washed it. So maybe like 30 minutes to an hour I let it sit. So here I'm just starting at the bottom. The only thing I would say with this is just make sure that it's saturated. Make sure the bleach is penetrating and make sure it's saturated. That's why I'm flipping it over, going on both sides, using my hands, pushing the hair around, because you don't want your color to be splotchy. And just go in and blend it up so it could be a nice transition, because you don't want it to be looking crazy with black and brown spots. So you want to make sure that it's penetrating the hair. That's why I'm taking such a small section. But like I was saying, I used the 30 on the bottom and kind of dragged it up to the top, and I went back and redone the bottom and put 40 on the bottom so that it could process faster and lighter. You see how I'm just kind of blending that? That's what you want to do to make sure that you don't have any harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend. Just like with makeup, you have to blend with hair. So now I'm just going to keep on dropping each section. I didn't record this whole part because I felt it was going to be too long. The video was going to be too long to squeeze all of this in there. But it's self-explanatory. Just keep on taking small sections and keep on painting it on. This is what the color looks like. Wet. Very, very pretty. I'm happy with the outcome. I really wanted the top to be lighter, but she liked it like this. So I was like, okay, I'm going to leave it like this. But I like it. It came out really nice. As you guys can see, you see the bottom is way lighter than the top. Not way lighter, but a nice transition. So right here, we got her ball cap on. I got this little trick from Glamazante, cutting by the ear. It just makes more sense, easier, smarter, more helpful. And I'm using my Got to Be Glued to put that cap down, and the spray as well. I'm using a combination of them both. And I just really want you guys to see what I'm doing. And you want to make sure you're spraying this on the hairline and a little bit above the hairline. I be having to hold her head back because she don't be listening. But yeah, you just want to spray that on there. And after you do all of that, set them under the dryer so that they can dry. I set it under the dryer for like 20 minutes just to ensure that it was all dry. So now that she's done drying, I'm going to take her foundation shade and put that over the cap. So that way when we lay it on the wig on, it matches her under the wig. Yeah. So that's why we do the ball cap method, but you just want to make sure that the makeup matches her skin tone so that you can't see the ball cap under the lace. Yay. So now we're putting on the wig. Just trying to see what it's hitting for so far. And honestly, I didn't make this wig. Somebody put another frontal on here, and yeah, they didn't put it on correctly. So the wig was kind of too small for her, but she hood, so she lifted it up in the back because she was ready to get her hair done that day. So yeah, as you can see, you can't really see the bottle cap under there. Here I go, cutting off the lace. And you want to make sure that you're not cutting the lace in a straight line. You want to make sure you're cutting it like zigzag. Look how good that lace match her skin. Y'all really need to go see the tinting video, how I bleached the knots and tinted the lace. Because, yeah, you definitely need that step. It's very necessary. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the lace and trying to be so neat and precise. And sometimes I leave just a little of the lace on to lay down. So yeah. And really you just want to see where you want to lay it before you put the glue and stuff on. So I recommend you outlining where you want to lay it. That's what I done. I didn't do it on camera, but I just took an eyebrow pencil and drew around where the lace was going to lay, like an inch above that, so it wouldn't be a messy application, so the glue wouldn't be everywhere. That is very helpful. So now I'm just going to take some of that glue and lay it down, a thin layer of glue. This is for the cap, like to lay the rest of the cap down if it's not already down. So yeah, this just help get the little stragglers. And I do up to three layers of glue. And every time I do her hair, she always be like, right, man, it only lasted a day, or this only lasted 2 days. So today we tried different techniques, and her wig is still on. She sweat a lot or whatever. And when anybody do her hair, she always be like, it just lasted a day. So yeah, I took the steps and set her under the dryer and did extra steps, and I just feel like that's what made it last long. So yeah, I'm just putting a thin layer to lay that cap down, like I said, and I'm gonna go back and lay the rest of them, lay the rest of the layers, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do so. So yeah. So now that I got the glue on one side, I'm going to pull that side forward and start laying it down. I only done one side because I feel like it make more sense to do one side, so that way you won't be trying to struggle and get the whole frontal down before the glue dries too much. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm pushing it forward, sticking it in. The glue is supposed to be all the way clear, guys, but I was tired, baby. I ain't had time for that, and I feel like it'll eventually get clear. Maybe not right away, but it'll get there eventually. So yeah, I'm basically just pushing it down in the glue with my fingers. Some people use combs. Use whatever you prefer. What's easier for you. I like both ways and both methods. I just cut off the ear tab, and now I'm about to go in and do the same side and use 3 layers of glue and place it down. Now I'm pulling out the baby hairs and I'm taking this foam. I don't want to tell you guys the name of the foam because I don't know if I really like it yet. This is my first time using it. So yeah, I'm going to take the baby hairs out and shape them and cut them. Get them right, get them tight. And you really want to take your time with the baby hairs. Don't be rushing. Like, take your time. So after I do the baby hairs, I tie the hair down with a black strip. I like the black strips because they strong. And I put her under the dryer for like another 10 to 20 minutes. Because I just feel like this ensures that the glue is melted in and the lace is melted in. I think this is the step that just made it so different and better. So, yeah, I curled her hair off camera, guys. And I pin curled it. So now I'm taking the curls out. Because if I put that inside the video, it was going to just be way too long. So now I'm just taking the curls out. Making her look like a snack. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay. It's 2019. Make sure we hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow as a family. Right? Fierce Gang. I'm trying to figure out a name for you guys. What you think I should call you guys? List it in the comments down below. And I'll put the products that I use in the description box. I know I didn't show everything. I think I used boho glue. But yes, the curls was extra cute. The color was extra cute. I felt like we should have layered it, but you know, people don't be want to cut their wigs these days. It was real cute though. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments as well. So yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.